The waves know my name.
Rosa, you can't be serious. He doesn't have a good job and he has no money. Mom, he does have a good job and he makes good money. He owns his own construction company. I'm not looking for riches. I love him. I really love him. He is a good man. Rosa, you are from a family of wealth. Therefore, you are expected to marry a man of wealth. He is not good enough for you. I'm sorry, Rosa, but I do not approve.
But without her mother's approval, she and Daniel marry. They have a beach wedding. A small group of friends attend, including Rosa's sister, Michaela, against her mother's wishes. A year later, Rosa becomes pregnant. Daniel rubs her stomach. What will we name him? I don't know. Let's decide after he's born. Does that sound okay? Sounds perfect. Daniel walks through the sand and takes the path that leads up to Michaela's house. She greets him with a huge hug. It's really good to see you, Daniel. I've missed you. She then introduces him to her adopted son, Ryan. It's nice to meet you, Ryan. Daniel's luggage is near the door, and he opens it, pulls out a box, and hands it to Ryan. I have a gift for you. Your mom wrote and told me about how much you love the beach and the sand, so I thought you would like some toys to help you build sandcastles. Ryan is very happy with his toys.
Wow, this is great. Thank you, Uncle Daniel.
Daniel quickly glances at Michaela. Uncle Daniel. She smiles sadly. Yes, I told him all about you and my sister, and he decided himself that he should call you Uncle Daniel. I hope it's okay. Yes, of course it's okay.
Will you help me build a big sandcastle, Uncle Daniel? Oh, when can we walk down to the beach? I'm 7 now, but Mom still won't let me go alone. It's only 3 minutes away. What do you think? Do you think I'm old enough to go alone?
Daniel pats Ryan on top of his head. You'll be old enough soon. Your mom wants to keep you safe. Perhaps we can all go together tomorrow. During the next 2 weeks, Daniel and Ryan spend a lot of time together. They explore caves and other places that Ryan thinks are mysterious.
I'm really glad that you're here, Uncle Daniel. Mom doesn't like to explore. She's afraid.
He then laughs.
Girls are always afraid of things, aren't they?
Daniel chuckles. Yes, sometimes they are.
But we're brave, aren't we?
Ryan continues up the path ahead of Daniel. Yes, we are, Ryan. We are very brave, and you are the bravest 7-year-old that I know. Daniel can see Ryan smile with pride, and suddenly pain begins to overwhelm him as he thinks about his own son, knowing that he would have loved the island as much as Ryan. Although he and Ryan get along very well, Michaela seems sad and distant. One day he asks her, Michaela, Does my visit to the island make you think of your sister and the baby? She lowers her head. Yes, Daniel, it does. He walks over to her. Look at me. She looks up into his eyes. His eyes examine hers. But there's something else, isn't there? I've been here for 2 weeks and you spent very little time with me. What's wrong? She burst into tears. Michaela, what is it? Please tell me. Just then, Ryan comes running into the room with all of his beach toys.
It's time, Uncle Daniel. Let's go! You promised me we would build sandcastles again today.
He sees his mom crying and looks over at Daniel.
Mom cries a lot since Grandma died. I do too, but not so much since you're here, Uncle Daniel. That means you have to stay. You can make Mom happy just like you make me happy.
But Daniel knows that it's not the death of her mother that's disturbing her. Ryan hugs his mom tight.
Come with us to build sandcastles. The sun and the sand always make you feel better.
But she does not come with him. Daniel looks back at her as they leave. We'll talk later. She nods.
Wow, this is the best sandcastle ever! Take a picture of me standing beside it.
Ryan takes off his shirt and flexes his muscles.
I'm the king of the castle!
Daniel laughs as he takes one picture after another. Then he begins to record as Ryan spins around and around.
I'm so happy, Uncle Daniel! I want you to stay here forever and ever!
Ryan finally stops spinning and falls down on his stomach in the sand, and that's when Daniel sees the mark on his back. A look of shock and disbelief sweeps over his face as he continues staring at the mark. He comes closer to Ryan to examine it. Suddenly, he becomes dizzy and falls to his knees.
No. No! How can this be? What is happening? No!